Welcome everyone to this month's edition of Space Events, the show that compiles all of the major events in spaceflight into one convenient video. This one is for the month of August in the year 2020. Let's just jump into it. SpaceX always has something going on, and that's no exception for August, starting with two astronauts returning to Earth. Astronauts Bob Behnken and Doug Hurley will return to Earth after 3 months on the International Space Station after a successful launch of SpaceX's Dragon Demo-2 mission that launched on May 30th from Kennedy Space Center. This is from customer NASA to send 2 astronauts to the International Space Station, a part of NASA's Commercial Crew program. This was the first crewed launch for SpaceX aboard their Falcon 9. More specifically, the Crew Dragon Capsule. On August 1st, the 2 astronauts will undock from the International Space Station, deorbit, and on August 2nd will splash down the Pacific Ocean off the coast of Florida. These times and locations are subject to change due to the pending hurricane in the Caribbean that is projected to go to the Florida coast in a couple days. Down in Boca Chica, Texas, lies SpaceX's next-generation vehicle, Starship. And more specifically, the one on the test stand right now is Starship prototype serial number 5, or SN5. On July 30th, serial number 5, or SN5, ignited its 1 Raptor engine and performed a static fire. Elon Musk says that a 150-meter hop will occur very soon after the static fire. According to FAA temporary flight restrictions for the area, the hop will occur on August 2nd, with backup dates on August 3rd and 4th. Next for SpaceX is a few launches, starting with Starlink 9, 10, and 11. Starlink is an internet constellation manufactured and launched by SpaceX. These launches have about 60 satellites in them and go to low Earth orbit. The Starlink 9 mission will have an additional payload of 2 Earth-observing satellites from customer Black Sky Global. Starlink 9 is projected to go on August 6th. These are all subject to change. Starlink 10, in addition to the 58 Starlink satellites, will have 3 additional satellites called SkySat from customer Planet Labs. SkySat is a high-definition Earth-observing satellite constellation. SpaceX's 3rd launch this month will be SXM-7 from customer SiriusXM. SXM-7 is a part of SiriusXM's radio satellite constellation. This launch will go to geostationary transfer orbit, or GTO. The last confirmed launch for SpaceX is on August 30th for SIOCOM-1B. SIOCOM is an Earth-observing satellite constellation for the Argentinian Space Agency. This launch will go to a sun-synchronous orbit, which is a polar orbit, but instead of being launched from Vandenberg Air Force Base in California, it'll be launched from Cape Canaveral Air Force Station in Florida. This will be the first polar launch out of Florida in over half a century. Launches from Florida are known to go east, but this time it's going south. There are possibly 2 additional Starlink launches this month, but those aren't confirmed yet. And all of these launches, except Starlink 9, will occur at Space Launch Complex 40 at Cape Canaveral Air Force Station in Florida. Rocket Lab is back. This is what the company had to say on their own Twitter. Today we can confirm that we're returning to flight in August. Our team has confidently identified the cause of the in-flight anomaly on our 13th mission, and we're implementing corrective measures. The anomaly that they are referring to is July 4th's mission, Pix or It Didn't Happen. Rocket Lab CEO Peter Beck just tweeted that after a long investigation into the anomaly, the failure was just a simple electric component. This is great news to come out of Rocket Lab to show that they are back and they know what happened on that mission. United Launch Alliance on August 26 will launch NROL-44 from Space Launch Complex 37B at Cape Canaveral Air Force Station. This will be aboard ULA's Delta IV Heavy, ULA's most powerful operational rocket. NROL-44 is a highly classified satellite for the US National Reconnaissance Office. For Roscosmos on August 6th, they will launch GLONASS-K, or Global Satellite System K, which will go to a medium Earth orbit and is a radio-based navigation system. This will launch from this place, Cosmodrome in Russia. With that, it's on to moon time. The full moon for the month of August will happen on the 3rd, with the new moon happening on the 18th. With that, thank you everyone for watching this month's edition of Space Events. We will be back for September and additional videos throughout these months for special missions and other really cool space topics. I'm excited, and thank you everyone for watching.